Hey there, so we're back now to finish off the 3-1 number 29 tutorial. Let me move my little video thingy over. Alrighty, so you can see we built a frequency histogram. The data looks pretty symmetric. And then if I go back to the problem on page 140, it said to determine the shape of the distribution of weights by making a frequency histogram, and then it says compute the mean and median. Very handy, good to know how to do. So let's go down here and let's find the mean and the median. So to find the mean, what you type is equals average. There it is. You could click on that, or you can just finish typing average, left parentheses, and then you need to tell it the data. So I'm going to tell it from A51 all the way back up to A2. There it goes, A2 to A51. Close parentheses, enter. There it is. Now this isn't very clear, so I'm going to type mean, and I'm going to go one better. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to paint it, oh, I don't know, paint it orange with the paint can and make it bold. That way maybe it makes it really obvious that that's the mean. Let's find the median. Median equals median. I'm not kidding, that's the command, median. Give it the left parentheses, and then you can either highlight the data with your mouse, or you can just type it A2 colon A51 because that's where the data was for this particular problem. Enter. And again, I like it to be bold. I'm going to go over here to the little arrow to the right of the paint can and pick a bright color. There we go. There it's obvious. Now look, those two are really close to each other. That backs up what we said, because when you look at the histogram, it looks like the data is pretty symmetric, and the mean and the median are backing us up. So if you were going to write something, you'd say, oh, it's symmetric because the mean and median are very close to each other, and the histogram backs up our claim as it is very symmetric. That's it. And notice, in order to, oops, I spelled symmetric wrong. That's not good. But in order to get it to be a couple lines of text, I just pressed enter and started typing in a different cell. There are other ways around this. You could add comments, and if you go to the insert menu, I think it's in here somewhere, you can insert some comments or insert text boxes or that kind of thing if you really want to, but you don't have to. You can just type it right in a cell. That's fine too. Oh, there it is, text box right there. I knew it was around here somewhere. All right, so that's it. We're done with 3.1. Next time we'll move on to 3.2.